Hello, in this video I want to show you how to configure Samsung Galaxy A25 for a senior person. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings, and sadly I checked for a simple or senior mode. There's no such thing on this device, which means we'll need to set up our device on our own with that mode. So moving on, we'll need to open our accessibility settings, then move to vision enhancement. Here we can find a display mode that you can switch between default, high contrast, or a large display. I would go for a large display or high contrast. As you can see, with that mode our font increases in size, and also it's a bit thicker with black font, which is much easier to read. Then we can activate high contrast fonts if you want. This makes all of the text that previously was a bit grayish more black. Then we have high contrast keyboard, which will make your keyboard a bit more readable. Color inversion, if you want, you can activate it. It's a personal thing. Color correction, color filters, you can activate remove animations to reduce motion sickness when using your device, reduce transparency and blur, extra dim, and then there's the magnification. When you activate it, we can go for accessibility button, which will be visible in the bottom right corner of our screen. When you click on it, it will open a zoom function that you can move around. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.